Facht get Conroy, nish dachs the spots us cord on lot to see except facht go deal again McHugh, nish ta Brown on to him again. Barry McHugh agus cool done scun at it again.
Anna cooler fan, Jessie she hot she a yeshin in a good hash just in young a Arisha more direction and near Luas Jagadi and Lino Land Hostic agus just when in your chance to lay than shin like David Clark is stuff.
Dog their spots in the Queenie, Akshay Bradley avoid Bradley there's stuff in mind to make again. Score by the Beo. Go ball in their ball. Like Conor Bradley on the rail leaning on to stop the good kick Céard tonight.
Well, it's talk a couple of number of him be shake like a cool fresh enough Céard and cuss me Céard and cuss Clay and Tom Shin and start to shove vision and follow there cuss Yas agus squeeze Jacks a lean Tom Shin on a glue shot Tom Cavana on a bug on
agus balls galore and shinish egg turbadoran. Huna galore fresh and agus secondera. Gara token shin. Jack Kennedy. Good rod and fell Feke Kennedy. Good look Quinlivan. Shin ain't far come towards and Quinlivan falls it on the shot. Sure high pillar Quinlivan. Oh, sore cool and shinning Michael Quinlivan. Shellif with again. Cumberton Tave Lean and Lanche Lash. Sure cousin tour Tave here though. Agus squeal she Urikerish.
Topic Nishtok she gets on the Mac Garrett Lashina Daruda she gets on the mass no Concentoria Daruda she gets on again Mardor her chance she gets again oh Shane Cool even her father again Mark Collins oh Shane Cool then score her fad another rough shot Mark Gore pointed to nach well Courtney Kester chase and score on the back again Mark Collins kick him off Garrett talk she gets on we number current you're holding in Mardor for Mark Collins shell of it Nacklish and Karen Ogbill oh we
Brady, a Lurug Flynn, Ligan Junior, Mac Parish, Cassisha, Nasher, Hus Das, Clapple good Das, Lurug, Queen in the Husher, Twirt Fan, Moy, Daniel Flynn, oh boy, oh, the Heim show, Daniel Flynn.
Well, she know the Mercer father Daniel Flynn, fair more score foolish, Anna Vahed and guided how much father the Kimi and Bautas, Jer Caffrey, dear guest of Colin Boyle, go Irish Death, they force in Roha Rain and go out trust and Carol no Puiraka, Goes but Jassy show Anna Sheikh no father Flynn. That's the issue.